Hello my dear children, this is the next topic in series. Here we are going to discuss about indexing in series. Pandas provide index attribute to get or set the index of entries for the values in a series. That we already discussed. Again I am giving an example program for how to get or how to set index for original values. If you are not setting any values, the interpreter always set the index value as 0, 1, 2, 3 till the last element, that is size minus 1 will be the last index. If the programmer want to set an index for any value in a series, we can also use index of function. Look at the example given. Here we are trying to create an array of A, B, C, D, E, and we are setting the index. Look at the creation of the series. S is equal to, that is in the fourth line, S equals PD dot series of array, that is ARR. Array is nothing but the list of values, comma, index equals first, second, third, fourth. What is the speciality of the index I had given here? It is a string index. The first index given is given for A. Second index is for B. Third index is for C. And the last fourth index is for D. So, if we are trying to print S, what will be the resultant? Let us check it out. First A, second B, third C and fourth D. Then how to get the indices from the series? Nothing but we can use the keyword called index. S dot index. Then we will get only the index from the series. Look at the output. We are getting the index as a list. First, second, third, fourth. The data type as object. My dear children, the index keyword is used for giving the programmer desired index for any original value in a series. My dear children, try to do the program in the PyDroid function, and you can give or you can assign your own indices for the original values in a series. The next we are going to discuss about slicing in series. How to slice an entire series into some pieces, or how to split series. Slicing is a way of retrieve subset of data from the pandas object. List slicing we already studied. Dictionary slicing also we studied. And tuple slice can be, you can refer the text, that previous year text you can refer for knowing what a slicing means. The list slicing is very similar to the series slicing. A slice object syntax is nothing but start, end and step. The third value is step. The segment start representing the first item, end representing the last item, and the step representing the increment between each item that you would like. That we already studied in list of slices. Here I am giving one example program for giving the slices. Pandas, series, index, that is A having the value as 10, B having the value as 15, like C, D, E and F will have the value 77. So look at the first print S. That will print the entire series along with its index and original values. Like A10, B15, C18, D22, like that it will print. Then the next is about string, that is series slice. S of, that is S of square bracket we are giving 1 colon 5 colon 2. What happens here? 1 is the first index, 5 is the last index, 2 is the step value. So let me check the output. B, D. What is the first index we are having? That is 0. Second index only 1. So B become 1. Okay. So 1 till 5. Break become 2. So 1, 3. It won't include 5. So that is why we got 1 and third index. That is B and D. Even though we are having separate indices value, you can put your own index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will be easy. So it will take from the index 1 till 5. The 5, the last value won't inclusive in the resultant. So 1 is the index, start index, 5 is the end index but not inclusive, 2 is the step value. Look at the next one, 0 to 6. So it will take the index 0, 2, 4 and it won't take 6. So we will get A, C and E. My dear children, this is all about slicing a series. What is the syntax to slice? Series of, that is the square bracket we need to use, start index, end index and the step value. It is very similar to list. If you are having any doubt about list slicing, you can refer the +1 text. My dear children, once again I am giving the syntax, that is series name, start, end, step. Here start value is inclusive, end value is not inclusive, that is excluded from the resultant. Then step value is given for the increment between each item that you would like, that you are giving the step value. If you are not giving any step value, the interpreter always take it as 1. My dear children, that is all about series. So today's session is ending with the series discussions. My dear children, please read your text to know more examples about series. Thank you.